Hey RC fans, Alvin here behind the camera. Welcome back to Mahal Kita RC. Welcome to Mahal Kita RC for those of you who have just tuned into my channel for the very first time. Mahal Kita RC is a showcase of my RC car collection. Today here at a beach is a 1/10 scale monster truck with a very nice pattern tires, M Cross by Louise. I'm gonna try this one if it does. Good job sandblasting. And also this RC Buggy, hopefully it can go over the sand. This is 4-wheel drive, brushed, and that one of course is a brushless monster truck. All right guys, let's get ready to rock. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. The tire is doing a great job. Tire is doing a great job. Wow. Wow. Okay. Speed run. Let's look at that. All right, there you have it guys. There you have it guys, my A-Spec. That's A-Spec guys. Nice tires there by Louise, M Cross pattern.